The last video I made about hydrogen peroxide and Dawn dish soap, it seems you guys really loved, and thank you so much for the support. So I've had a lot of people ask about different ratios for cleaning tasks. So let's talk about a few household items that you can clean with this combination and the exact mixture. So the first cleaning task, let's talk about showers and bathtubs. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna get yourself a spray bottle, and then you fill it with 1/2 cup of Dawn dish soap and another 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Just like that. Now take that and apply it all around the tub or the shower wall and start scrubbing with that. So the hydrogen peroxide will help disinfect, and the Dawn dish soap will work wonders to get rid of that soap scum and any sort of mildew that you will encounter. Another thing that you can clean around the house with this wonderful combination is toilets. So for toilet cleaning, the best way to clean the toilet bowl is to take a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap and another 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide and pour that straight into the toilet bowl. Now leave that sit, maybe work it around a bit with the toilet brush, but leave that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can do its job, and then go and clean it. If you have smelly garbage cans in the house and they're due for a deep cleaning, take a gallon of water, then take a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap and 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide and mix that all around. Get yourself a scrub brush or a sponge and get to work. If you have dirty tile flooring, it's time for a deep clean. So here's what you're gonna do. Take a gallon of water, probably a nice mop bucket, then take a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. It's very important not to overdo the Dawn dish soap. And then take 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Again, mix that all together and make sure to do a good thorough mopping of everything. The important piece with this is that you don't leave too much of the soapy residue behind. Make sure to give it a good rinse afterwards to end up with great results. Kitchen sinks are another area in the house that can get really grimy. So you want to make sure you properly disinfect and you thoroughly degrease. Again, that is why this combination is excellent. So take a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap and 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and again, straight up mix it into a spray bottle. You don't need any water for that, really just a tad bit maybe, but mix it in here and then apply it thoroughly for the entire sink and give it dwell time so it can work on disinfecting and breaking down all that grease before you start cleaning. Another area that gets really dirty is grout lines. So you can use this for great results. All you have to do is take a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap, 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, mix it in a spray bottle, again with a little bit of water just to help the application, spray the grout line, give it dwell time, scrub it, and then lift off with a cloth or a mop. So what happens when you get carpet stains? Well, again, this solution works great for the majority of stains. Anything organic especially, like coffee stains, red wine, anything like that. Take a spray bottle, take 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap, 1/2 cup hydrogen peroxide, and 1/2 cup of water. Mix it in with a spray bottle and apply that on the stain. Again, give it 12 times so the product can work, lifting that stuff out of the carpet fibers. Then take a cloth and start blotting up as much of that stain as you can. If you need to do some scrubbing with a brush, you can do so, but you want to make sure you blot up the majority of that stain to make sure you get great results. So another question I always get from this video was, does it have to be Dawn dish soap? Most likely not. And this is also not an advertisement for Dawn dish soap. It is just the soap that I have the most personal experience with. So Dawn dish soap and hydrogen peroxide, that's the combination I have. If there's another dish soap that you absolutely love and seems to have great degreasing power, odds are it probably work as well. As for the hydrogen peroxide, I use a household hydrogen peroxide 3%.